So according to my community tab, people seem to like these little short videos, update things. Right now it is, I don't know what time it is, it's dark, and been in the field all day. It's like 53 degrees out right now. I need to pull my truck back in. Pulled it out because I know it's a mess over here, but yeah, I made a caged thing there for the cats, so their food is protected. The dogs don't come down and eat it all. And I think I have some coons, baby coons or something up here in the roof. But anyway, gonna have a full-length video coming out here soon, farming video. But my question is, have any of you, I'm gonna move that, how do you remove this window channel run, whatever they call it? I mean, it doesn't seem like it'd be too difficult to do. I've never done it before. And it goes way down inside the window, where when the window's rolled down, it's still kind of pressing against it. I'm not sure how you remove that, but need to get those out of there. I'm gonna get new ones. Want to get them out of there so we can paint the inside of the door, outside of the door, without I don't want any chance of white showing on the blue. And this is pretty brittle out here, so just want to get rid of it all and get new. I'm gonna get new window, I don't know what they call them, window channels or window runs, something like that. Gonna get new ones of those. Gonna get all new door seals, all new window, the back where the top of the Bronco fastens on back here. We're gonna get all new seals back here. We're gonna get all new seals. But I'm not sure how you remove these things or how you install the new ones. It can't be too difficult, I don't think. That's pretty pliable right there, but on the outside, yeah, that's not bad. Down here though, it's brittle. You know, it's 20-some years old, and the sun and everything takes its toll on it. We're gonna put new ones in it. So if you've done that before, where'd you get them from? LMC, I assume, is a decent place to get them from. And how do you do it? I don't know. We'll figure it out. This is really hard down here. Oh, that's like, if I pull up on that, it's just gonna break. Anyway, that's what's going on here tonight. Been in the field all day, looking at the Bronco tonight. Gonna be in the field tomorrow, bright and early. Gotta get this door off, along with that door over there. Get all the trim and mirrors and handles and everything pulled off of them. We're gonna get ready to paint. When I get out of the field, which it's not gonna take too long for planting, yeah, we're gonna get busy on the Bronco and do some painting. Anyway, quick little update again here. Seems like people like them, so I'm gonna throw some out there, but I do need to get a full-length video going here sometime. Anyway, that's what's going on here at the Fox Shop tonight.